Hello to all my beloved star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat? So, ang reading po natin ngayon ay importanteng mensahe from the universe bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. So, this time wala tayong pagpipilian, walang categories, walang pile. So, this is a collective reading. Lahat ng energy ay makukuha natin. So, just take what resonates for you here. If not, then leave the rest. Okay? So, again, papaalala ko lang po sa inyo, bawal ang nega. Love lang po tayo natin dito yung ating sa ating The Star Talking Tarot channel. Okay? Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope everybody are doing well. Okay. Spirit Guardian Angels, what's going on with our viewers? Tell me more about our viewers, the Star Talking Tarot viewers. Kamusta ang ating pile? Ano ba yan? Bakit ba pile? Anyway, I'm sorry. Kamusta ang ating viewers natin? Collective reading. Okay. You guys are focusing more on your work, your finances, business. Okay? And to some of you, parang feeling mo parang na-stuck ka siguro sa bahay. Kasi nga, parang walang ganap masyado. Okay? Walang ganap dahil it could be related sa pera. Okay? Hindi mo kayang ma-afford yung siguro maggagala, okay, or gumala. So parang stay ka na muna sa bahay. Or baka ikaw tong nasa trabaho na feeling trapped ka or na-stuck. Okay? So whatever it is, guys, you know what you're doing and you know what I mean. Okay? Alam mo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin, yung sinasabi kong na-stuck. Okay? It could be work-related, school, okay, whatever you do, parang na-stuck ka. And to some of you, parang nasa isang lugar ka na you are surrounded with people. Siguro sa isang bahay, nandyan yung mga relatives mo, okay, or siguro may mga, siguro talaga yung sa bahay mo, parang talagang puno kayo ng mga, ano ba yun, parang it could be your co-workers na nakatira kayo sa isang apartment, yun ang kukuha kong energy. Siguro nanonood ka nitong The Star Talking Tarot kasi nasa bahay ka lang at siguro it's night time, okay, or whatever it is, parang habang nanonood ka nito ay maraming tao sa paligid mo, okay? And yung iba sa inyo, you are focusing on your spirituality, okay, your divination. If you are, baka ikaw tong either manghuhula or magagamot, okay, or doing some rituals. I'm hearing rituals, okay, and yeah, for some reason, kung ikaw itong is into like a spirituality, your spirituality power, okay, sabihin lang natin na power or ang iyong kapangyarihan, okay, so it's getting stronger, okay, even before end of 2023, okay, so you know what you're doing and talagang magaling ka, okay, as a manggagamot, as a healer, as a psychic, and even kung kahit na hindi ka man psychic, yung iba sa inyo, mas laging malakas yung intuition mo, okay, yung pakiramdam mo, nakakasense ka ng mga energy around you, okay, and to some of you, siguro may pupuntahin ka or may bibisitahin ka pero parang hindi mangyayari or parang na-postpone. Okay? Yeah. Para bang nagmamadali ka or it could be work or school na para may pupuntahan ka pero na-postpone. Okay? And to some of you, you are, like I said, you are focusing on your finances, your work, okay, your business proposal, whatever it is. And kahit sa mga negosyo mo, like sa mga pagbibenta, siguro talagang busy. Even if, kunwari, example lang, nasa trabaho ka na sales, okay? Ang daming mga customers na tinatanong ka sa mga product mo, okay? So, you are right now busy, okay? Masyadong busy ka either sa tindahan, okay? Or sa negosyo, yeah. And even sa, sa mga creativity mo, okay? Sa mga talent mo, it could be clothing or pag-garden, ang daming, it's like para bang maraming nagtatanong. Okay, so like right now, yung iba sa inyo talagang busy sa ginagawa mo, sa business mo, okay, even sa pagpipinta, or siguro sa arts, related arts, okay, sa school, siguro you are doing group activities sa school right now, okay, yeah. And to some of you, you are siguro kung ikaw man itong ano din sa farmer or may farm kayo, okay, you are waiting na to receive this abundance, okay, yeah. And even sa ano, parang sometime December, okay, or currently, parang you're waiting na ma-harvest ito. Parang may harvest na you're about to to pick up, okay, yeah. At saka yung iba naman sa inyo dito ay you are looking forward to travel, okay, yeah. Siguro may multiple ideas ka kung aling destination ang pupuntahan mo or bibisitahin. It doesn't have to be like yung malayo, okay? It could be just around like another town, another city, or siguro yung iba sa inyo at talagang lalong-lalo na sa overseas ka, you might be planning on going home, traveling, okay? Siguro magtutour sa ibang bansa, yeah. And yeah, like again, yung iba naman sa inyo, like I said, your divination, your spirituality, you are focusing more on that, and parang may na-expect ka eh. You are expecting about something that's about to happen. Even in your dreams, lalong-lalo na ikaw ay talagang ano sa spirituality, okay? Talagang parang you are getting communication. So pay attention guys, lalong-lalo na ay you have been dreaming of something, okay? Like again, pay attention kasi parang you are getting a download from the universe, from your spirit guides, a message, okay? Yeah, talagang lumalakas ang iyong spirituality when it comes to your divination thing, okay? Yeah. And so like again, to some of you are looking forward to receive abundance. Yeah. Like a positive energy before the 2023 ends. Yeah. And I want to say thank you guys also, yung ibang na nakikinig sa aking mga advice. Kasi nakikita ko sa inyo na talagang you guys taking that advice from me. Nakaka-appreciate po yun. Okay? Again, as a reminder, this is just the guidance. Okay? Guide lang po yung ano ko dito sa mga tarot decks natin. Okay? So, you don't have to take it seriously, and you don't have to take all my guides or yung mga advice ko dito kung ayaw mo. Wala po tayong sapilitan dito. Okay? So, this reading is all about your guidance. Okay? Kaya nga yung iba sa inyo ay, or yung karamihan sa inyo dito ay napupunta rito sa mga tarot reading videos kasi I know you are looking for an answer. Okay? You want guidance. Yeah. Yung iba naman sa inyo ay may minamanifest kang ligawan eh. Or siguro minamanifest mo na sana ligawan ka ng ng person mo, or yeah, to express their feeling towards you. And you guys, yung iba dito is hindi ka naman nagme-meditate noon, ngayon ay nagme-meditate ka na, which is I'm so glad and proud of you. Okay? So yeah. So that's the current energy so far that I'm getting. Just take what resonates for you here. If not, then leave the rest. So move on na tayo, and alamin na natin kung ano ang mangyayari bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. Okay? Alright. Spirit guidance, can you tell us ano ang dapat malaman ng ating mga viewers, the Star Token Tarot viewers natin, bago magtatapos ang taong 2023? Okay? Yeah. Yung iba naman sa inyo, you are trying your best to stay solitude. Yung mapag-isa na muna. Okay? Siguro nga, guys, I strongly getting the energy na you guys are really getting talagang sinusunod nyo talaga yung aking advice. And I'm so proud and thankful na na-enlighten ko kayo. Okay? Na parang nabago ko kayo. So maraming salamat po. Okay? Maraming salamat. Kasi siguro, you have been into this, parang talagang galing ka sa mga toxic relationship, toxic environment, okay? So parang, right now, sinusunod mo yung payo, or it doesn't have to be my, advice, maybe a friend, something like that, but now, you are, realizing, talagang ano ba yan? Realize mo na, I'd rather to be stay home, alone, okay? Yeah, you're trying to protect yourself. Okay? So, mas pinipili mo yung environment na ikaw na muna, yung mas tahimik, para makapag-isip ka na maayos. And especially, lahat ng mga chismis, yung mga negativity, people around you, yung mga toxic people, pinagpipray mo na lang ang lahat sa Panginoon, which is very positive. And I'm so thankful and proud of you. Okay? Yeah. So again, bago magtatapos ang iyong 2023, guys, I'm getting like, kung ikaw itong for some reason para ka maglalakad bigla. Para bang siguro, yung sa kabisihan, I would say, kung mag-shopping ka, parang bigla kang maglalakad kasi masyadong matraffic. Okay? And to some of you, parang may hinihintay ka. Okay? So, the universe is telling me to tell you guys na stay patient. Okay? Especially when you're into your spirituality, divination. So, maging mapagpasensya. Yeah. To all my viewers, I'm sorry. Parang sorry, na-distract lang saglit kasi dito ng mga anak ko. Anyway, just be more patient kasi the more na naging mas pasensya ka, yung mga prayers mo, you will be receiving that. Right now, para bang may, there's a surprise. Okay? Hindi mo to kailangan malaman agad-agad eh. Ang daming plano ni universe para sa iyo. Okay? You just have to be more patient. Especially sa mga panaginip mo. Okay? And I'm getting like, this is the right time for you to awaken. Parang slowly. When it comes to your spirituality. Okay? As a psychic. Okay? You are slowly growing. Okay? Slowly nag-grow yung yung spiritual divination mo. Okay? And just be more patient. Kasi hindi pwede na isang bagsakan lang, wide awake ka na agad. Okay? Parang ayaw ni universe na yung bigla ka na lang magugulat. Okay? Or matatakot. Okay? So, slowly, your divination is getting stronger. Okay? Yeah, especially when it comes to bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. Yeah, and then bago magtatapos ang 2023, when it comes to your finances, yung iba sa inyo, medyo mahirap man, dapat maging magpasensya. Okay? More on patience, guys, kasi parang tinitest ka ni universe eh. Okay? If you need help, okay, financially, feel free to ask the people around you kasi ang ingay ng mga anak ko. Anyway, feel free to ask help, okay? Or an advice, okay? Kaya nga siguro andito ka sa natin, di ba, sa the Star Talking Tarot or sa any tarot reading videos kasi you are looking forward na mabigyan ng sagot ang iyong mga problema, okay? Especially your finances. Yeah. Siguro mahirap man ngayon, but be more patient when it comes to your money. Even before magtapos yung 2023. Okay? Medyo slow pa rin yung finances mo, yung iba dyan sa inyo, just be more patient and continue what you're doing. At continue, okay? Ipapatuloy ang iyong mga panalangin kasi there's hidden, may tinatago sa universe para sa iyo as a reward. Okay? Just be more patient. Maging magpasensya. Okay? Yeah. At yung iba naman sa inyo, when it comes to your the lover, okay? Siguro you are looking forward na mapabilis itong relasyon nito or mapunta sa kasalan, but it might takes time. Okay, maybe this year, baka hindi, I'm hearing na baka hindi matuloy yung papaplanong magpakasal. Okay? Kasi parang, kung ikaw itong may papaplanong pagpapakasal, siguro I'm getting like, this is not the right time or this is not the right year, I guess, for you. But, okay, wala naman ako sa lugar para sabihin na wag ngayon, di ba? But I'm just saying na kung hindi naman sapat yung pera or hirap or gahol pa sa pera, there's no need to be rush. Okay? Kasi parang ano more on finance, sa pera talaga nag-aano yung mga pagpaplano, di ba? Na, say, kung may plano ka na may puntahan, okay, or bibilhin, of course, everything involves money. Yeah. So, especially if you are looking forward na makasal kayo before mag-end ang taong ito, if it's about involved money, then siguro pagpaliban na lang din and hoping na next year matuloy na ito. Okay? Or ikaw naman itong, if ikaw naman itong ano din, waiting for your person na mauwi, okay? Or makikita kayo, parang matatagalan pa. Especially if you are, parang sa long distance, if you are, chatting somebody online, yung may kinakausap ka through online, okay? Say si Afang, or iba, it doesn't have to be foreigner, okay? So, if you're looking forward na magkikita kayo this year, so this is not the right time na magkita kayo this year. Okay? Yeah. Or it will takes time. It will takes time. Not this year. Okay? Na magkikita kayo. Okay? Yeah. And to some of you, you will be more focusing on your studies bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. Ang daming ang daming activities. Everything involves money as well. Okay? Na-involve din yung kasi may mga projects, 'di ba? Every projects talagang may pagkagastusan. And so, I'm getting the message here na it's better na pagpaliban na muna yung mga ibang gala. Okay? Might as well na focus ka talaga dapat sa pag-aaral mo. Okay? Yeah. Bago magtatapos itong taong 2023. Kasi sa taong 2023, kung ikaw itong may mga negosyo, okay, or activities sa school, ang dami mong gagawin, ang dami mong talagang busy ang peg mo niyan. Okay? Bago magtapos itong taong 2023. Okay? Para bang hindi mo alam kung anong uunahin mo kasi may mga activities pang gagawin, may mga gatherings ka pang pupuntahan. So parang talaga pag-iisipan mo kung alin ba talagang pag-uunahin mo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, so yung iba naman sa inyo dito is you will be getting, oh my God. 'Di ba kanina, it's really strong. Talagang malakas itong divination thing ha. Power. Okay? So, it's not just that. Guys, my beautiful viewers, okay? Bago magtatapos itong taong 2023, pay attention, okay? Pay attention sa mga synchronicity, lalong-lalo na sa mga pinapanood mong TV or pinapakinggan mong music sa radyo. So, yeah, pay attention guys kasi you are getting, okay? The universe is sending you, okay? Ang daming pinapadala pinapadala mensahe through dreams, synchronicity, synchronicity through music, TV, or sa mga billboard na nakikita mo or something about the books na nababasa mo. Pay attention to that kasi the universe is sending you a message to that. Okay? Yeah. Mga mensahe galing kay universe, iyon. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, bago magtatapos itong taong 2023, yung parang may matatanggap ka, you will be receiving something na it could be gifts or a surprise gift and you will be happy. Okay? Ang laking tuwa mo nito once na ma-receive mo itong surprise na ito bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. So, itong surprise na ito, hindi ko iwalat. Ano ba? I'm not gonna tell you the whole secret about it. Okay? Hindi ko pwedeng sasabihin yung sikreto kasi hindi na magiging sikreto yun, di ba? So, surprise na lang muna yun. Okay? So, it's gonna be a surprise. Okay? Whatever it is, you will be receiving a surprise. It could be a gift surprise. Yeah. Kung ikaw naman ito nagpupunta sa mga birthday or party, Christmas party, something about na marireceive mo na matutuwa ka sa marireceive mo. Okay? Yeah. Okay? That will be fun. Yung iba sa inyo magiging matuwa bago matapos ang taong 2023, magi-enjoy more gatherings, busy sa negosyo, lalong-lalo na't ang negosyo mo ay karamihan ang daming bumibili. Okay? Ang daming, parang nagiging customer service ka na yata rin. Siguro sa mga customer service na nagtatrabaho, mga dito, yung call center. Yes, kaliwat kanan yung mga tawagan dito, mga inquiries. At saka yung iba naman sa inyo dito is, siguro may pagpaplano ka na puntahan. Like again, kung ikaw ito ang may vehicle, any vehicle like motorsiklo, kotse, somehow para bang masisira ito. Okay? Taong 2023. Kaya ba parang siguro you end up na maglalakad. Okay? Or parang ganun ba? Very specific message here. Okay. What else? Yeah. And to some of you, you guys are doing well when it comes to your negosyo. Like again, magbo-boom pa itong mga negosyo mo, lalong-lalo na holiday, malapit ng holiday. So, I would say congratulations. Okay? Dapat focus at mag-ingat kayo. Mag-ingat kayo sa, pag-ingatan nyo pala yung katawan nyo. Okay? You emotionally, kailangan mo talaga ng tulog. Kasi I'm getting like, talagang super busy ka. Busy. Bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. So, yung parang pay attention na hindi ka magkakaroon ng over fatigue. Okay? Kasi katawang lupa mo rin yung puhunan mo dito eh. Okay? Just saying. So, kailangan mo talaga ng tulog, enough na tulog, at ipagpahinga ang katawan. Kasi every day, bago magtatapos ang taong 2023, lagi kang mapapagod. Okay? When it comes to your health. And again, yung iba naman sa inyo, you are being guided even until the end of 2023, you are being guided and being blessed. Okay? And continue sa mga pinapanalangin mo kasi slowly it's working. Okay? Hindi naman isang bagsakan ibibigay ni universe sa'yo lahat ng mga pinapanalangin mo, di ba? Yung mga wish to come true, hindi isang bagsakan lang yun. So, isa-isahing ibibigay ng universe yan para sa iyo. Yeah. Okay. What else? What else, Spirit Guardian, just bago magtatapos ang taong 2023 for our... Hold on. Okay, bago magtatapos, hindi ko na lang yan. Yes, bago magtatapos, you guys will be receiving a lot of money, abundance. Okay, write your message below on our comment section. Feel free to leave your comment. I claim that abundance from the universe. Okay, heartedly. Yes, and be careful. Mag-ingat kayo, lalong-lalo itong 24. It could be December 24 or 24 days from now whenever you watch this video. Pay attention kasi marami ngayon. Nagsisilaganap na yung mga scammers, yung mga magnanakaw. Guys, please be careful. Okay? Kasi lalong-lalo na ikaw ay mapera. Hindi naman sa mapera, di ba? Pero mag-iingat-ingat kasi naglalaganap na yung mga magnanakaw. Even children, okay? And mga adult dyan or mga hookers, yung mga prostitute, wag basta-basta magpapaling lang. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, maraming manlilinlang unless ikaw ay gusto magpapalinlang. Okay? So mag-ingat sa bago matatapos ang taong 2023. At mag-ingat din kayo sa mga gamit ninyo. Lalong-lalo na't ikaw ay galing abroad. Okay? Very specific message I'm getting here. Mag-ingat. Okay? Do not just trust anybody else. Okay? Para makapasok sa bahay mo. Tama lang din na protektahan mo yung mga gamit mo. Okay? Yung mga belongings, mga gamit mo. Kahit sa mga apartment, kung ikaw nakatira sa apartment, mag-ingat kasi yung iba, someone is planning. I'm getting the energy na parang kasambahay or kasama mo dyan. Okay? Mag-ingat-ingat kahit pamilya or close friends, something like that. Kahit mga nephews, mga pamangkin mo or something, mag-ingat-ingat. Okay? Yeah, wala namang mangyayaring masama kung maging maingat ka lang sa mga gamit mo. Kung ayaw mo tong mawala. Okay? Yeah, kasi parang strongly a message here na mag-iingat sa mga valued items mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Or personal belongings. So mag-iingat. Kasi naglalaganap na itong mga magnanakaw. Lalo na't holiday, malapit na ang holiday. What else, Spirit Guardian Angels? More message for our viewers, please. Bago magtatapos ang taong 2023. Let's get this one. The dragonfly be light-hearted, finding out things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, if kung na-disappoint kayo, okay, siguro yung mga lakad na hindi nangyari, or yung mga papaplano na hindi mangyari, yeah, something about na, siguro may pagpaplano na pagbabago, di ba? Okay, so, it's okay, okay? I'm getting like, things have a reason, kaya hindi natupad yun o hindi nangyari yung pagpapaplano. It's okay, some other time na lang, okay? Kasi nga, di ba, example ko lang ha, yung kaibigan ko, bago kami umuwi, after ng trabaho namin, niyaya ko siyang kumain sa labas for breakfast. And then, kasi ang trabaho ko kasi is night shift. Example lang to ha. So I asked her to go out, have a breakfast with me, and then, yun nga, hindi niya tinake yung yung offer ko sa kanya, umuwi siya. And then I didn't know after that, nung pauwi na siya, na-aksidente pala siya. So the next day, tinawagan niya ako to let me know na nasa hospital siya. So ngayon, parang naano ko lang ba na everything have a reason. Okay? So, para bang nanghihinayang ako na sana na tinanggap niya yung offer ko na kumain kami sa labas, di sana hindi yung mangyari. So, again, kung itong pagpaplano ninyo na hindi mangyayari, it's okay. Okay? Baka, it's just a sign na there's more better and plan, better than that, okay, in the future. Baka, example lang din dun sa, ko ba, anong tawag doon? Sa kwento na sabi ko sa inyo kanina, na kung hindi man natuloy, that's all right. Okay? Kasi minsan talagang pinoprotektahan tayo ng universe in different way. Kaya talaga dapat na intindihin na lang. So malay mo, baka may mangyari na hindi maganda. I'm just saying, okay? So it's okay kung itong pagpaplano na magta-travel na hindi mangyari, siguro ikaw ay na-disappoint, okay? Okay lang yan. Okay? May some other time pa naman eh. Okay? So, you are being protected by the universe. And you are, especially if you are trying to heal yourself from disappointments. Okay? Like I say, every disappointment. Okay? Siguro kung may hinihintay ka na hindi nangyari, it's okay. Okay? Just be more patient kasi astronomy message dito from the universe is bago magtapos ng itong taong 2023, mas matutong maging magpasensya. Okay? Try to understand na ang lahat ng ito ay may kahulugan. There's a reason. Okay? So later, ma-realize mo na kaya pala ganito yan. Okay lang yan. Especially sa relationship, okay? Kung nasaktan ka man, na-disappoint ka, okay? It's okay. Okay? It's better na, like again, siguro minsan parang pinipili mo muna mag-isa ka muna. Kasi the more na naging mapag-isa ka, the more na marami kang natutunan. Parang nagiging more on reflection ka. Okay? Iniisip mo yung mga nakaraan, and then the future, and this current, okay, and then you are parang more on mirroring your energy, okay, reflection na you are learning your lesson, okay, and some of you are healing, okay, you are trying your, para mag-heal yung nararamdaman mo, yung disappointments mo, which is good, okay, the more na nag-heal ka, the more na yung parang self-reflected ka or reflection, mas nagiging mature ka. Okay? Yeah. What more, spirit guide angels? Okay. Hold on. Okay. Spirit guide angels, what they need to know bago magtapos ang taong 2023? Ano ang dapat nila malaman? Okay. Take care of yourself. Diba kanina sabi ko, yung sa katawan ninyo, lalong-lalo na't busy kayo, ingatan ang inyong kalusugan at kailangan ng tamang tulog, uminom ng maraming tubig para hindi ma-dehydrate. Okay? What else? Okay, here. Success is on your way. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, yung surprise ng universe, it's about to happen. Okay? It might take time. Kung hindi man mangyayari itong bago magtatapos ang taong 2023, baka sa next year. Okay? It will be surprise. Okay? Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin iyon kasi hindi na magiging surprise ni universe yun. Ayaw kong masira yung surprise ni universe. What more? Someone is going to offer you a big surprise. Oh my God, another surprise na naman. So more surprise coming before mag-end ang taong 2023. And we have here, one step at a time. Okay? Dahan-dahan lang yung mga plano mo, yung mga activities mo. Okay? Dahan-dahan lang. Okay? Growing older is not something to worry about. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, worried ka kasi nagkaka-wrinkle ka na. Okay? It's okay kasi tao lang naman tayo, lahat naman talaga, kahit mga halaman nga, prutas, talaga nabubulok din, di ba? So leave everything to all the angels of and God. Di ba sabi ko kanina, laging manalangin. Okay? Lahat ng mga problema mo, ipagpa-Diyos mo na lang ang lahat ng mga problema mo. At lalong-lalo na yung mga taong mapanira, okay? Kasi I know, alam mo sa sarili mo na you are surrounded with this toxic environment, toxic people. Okay, yung mga problema mo na siguro napupuna ka sa mga problema mo, finances, lahat ng ano ba 'yan? Ang lahat ng 'yan ay ipagpa-Diyos mo na lang kasi lahat ng mga panalangin mo na naririnig ni universe 'yan. Okay? But slowly it's working. Okay? In a surprise way. Yeah. Which is very good. Someone is admiring you. Okay? Someone is admiring you to all my star viewers. Okay. What else message, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano ang advice ng universe sa'yo? Spirit Guide Angels, ano pang advice mo para sa ating star viewers? Okay, sacrifice. Sometimes surrender is painful. God cutting away all that needs to go. Illusions, obsessions, addiction. It's a sacrifice to love. Yeah, yung mga ang tawag doon. Like again, yung mga tao, 'di ba kanina sabi ko sa inyo, you are feeling drained. Okay, drowned. Parang talagang napupuno ka na sa mga tao sa paligid mo at saka napupuno ka na sa mga problema mo. Again, you are protected by the universe and the universe is also cutting off. Hinahina na tinatanggal ni universe yung mga problema, yung mga tao sa paligid mo na pinoproblema mo ngayon, okay? The universe hearing all your prayers, okay? It's slowly, okay? Itong mga taong ito ay dang-dang nawawala sa paligid mo, okay? And because the universe hear your prayers and right now you just have to be to sacrifice yourself, okay? Naboboard ka man, it's because alin ang pipiliin mo halubilo? Yung mga taong plastic or rather to be alone? Okay? So, again, you just have to do some sacrifice. Okay? You ask for this, then deal with it. And be happy. Okay? Kasi the universe is not giving you something na hindi maganda sa iyo at mabuti sa iyo. And you know that. Okay? Again, courage. Let me be open to courageously take the steps that are shown. Yeah, you guys need to encourage yourself. Kasi nga, siguro yung iba sa inyo, takot ka makikahalubilo or siguro you are losing your trust to anybody. And I don't blame you. Okay? It's just like me sometimes, parang nawawalan din ako ng trust sa lahat-lahat ng mga tao. But then again, I choose to, stay with my own family. Okay? Yeah, and I'd rather na limited na lang yung mga kasalamuha ko ngayon. Hindi gaya noon na unlimited. Okay? But then again, hindi lahat ng 100% ng mga friends mo ay talagang positive or talagang into you. Kasi parang 20% lang ang talagang totoo para sa'yo. 80% mga nega. Okay? Sisiraan ka lang. So, it's better na doon ka lang talaga sa ikaw na mag-isa. Limited lang yung mga friends mo. Siguro 3, 2 lang. And then with your children or with your family, yun lang. Okay? Be happy. Yun naman talaga ang di ba? It's better na hindi maraming kaibigan, kabarkada, at least hindi sila plastic sa buhay mo. And again, the universe is guiding you. Okay? Showing you the right path, showing you the right people. Okay? What about the message here from your spirit animals? Spirit animals message, please. Final message for our viewers. Oh my God. Snow leopard, self-reliance. You are strongly independent and often solitary. Again, solitary, mag-iisa, solitude, by being alone, okay? It's like a hermit mode. Integrity is important for your best outcome. Cloak yourself with invisibility and walk with the shamans. Use your intuition and let your life unfold in silent perfection. So again, hindi mo kailangan na isabihin mo mga success mo in life. Okay? Yung sekreto mo. Okay? It's better to do it silently. Kasi the more na naging silent ka, the more na yung mga manifestation, it's happening. Okay? Nangyayari in a perfect way. Kasi minsan, sabi natin, example ha, yung mga plano mo, pagpaplano mong may puntahan or magta-travel, hey, punta kami nito ni ganyan-ganyan, punta kami ni Switzerland, and then later on, hindi nangyari. Kasi nga, nasira yung manifestation mo, hindi nangyayari. Parang na-block. So it's better to do silently. And then later ka na lang magpo-post sa social media mo kasi para naman hindi maano, 'di ba? Ma-block. Okay? Okay. We also have here Clover, release your guilt. Again, hindi naman lahat, 'di ba? Like again, it's better to be surrounded with true people around you. Okay, yung totoong tao. Kahit isa lang yung kaibigan mo, it's okay. Lalong-lalo na't ikaw ay may problema. Siguro, again, you might be gaining weight, kaya man nagkakaroon ka ng insecure sa sarili mo, feel free to open up with the people who can accept you, who you truly are. Okay? So again, release. Feel free to release all your worries, mga problema sa buhay. Feel free to reach out sa mga tao na malapit sa puso mo. Kahit anong negativity man yung problema mo, it's okay para ma-release yung bigat sa nararamdaman mo. Hindi kasi healthy sa atin na sasarilihin mo na lang yung problema mo. Kasi baka mamaya bigla ka na lang mag-big T dyan. Hindi na okay yan. Okay, so the universe is encouraging you kasi meron tayo ditong courage, di ba? The universe is giving you a courage, okay, to encourage you about your talent, your dance, kasi lalong-lalo na't music is everything for you. Para bang music is life. Okay? Yeah. Para bang habang nagsasayaw ka, o TikTok, or listening to music, parang napapasayaw ka. Pati sa universe din, yung guardian angel mo, sumasayaw din, nakiki-join din sa'yo. Okay? Yun nga lang, hindi mo man nakikita, but it's okay. The universe is happy. Masaya sila, nakikita kang naging masaya. And that is really so, nakaka-touch. Nakaka-touch talaga na the universe only wants to see you is to be happy. Enjoy life. Okay? Very beautiful message, nakaka-touch na message dito. So hanggang dito na lang sa aking mga beautiful and beloved star viewers. Nakaka-appreciate po na andito kayo at pinapanood nyo ang aking mga readings. And again, holiday is coming. So feel free to send donations, any amount, okay? Kasi may papaplano po akong magbibigay ng donation para sa mga bata. I'll let you know, okay, kung kailan ako magbibigay ng donation sa mga bata or update. And I will send you, or check mo na lang dito yung description below on my YouTube channel. Paki-check na lang. And ilalagay ko yung yung Viber number ko and my information, or sa Facebook fan page ko. You can message me. And again, feel free to send your donations, any amount or gift. If you feel na gusto mo magpadala ng gift, any tarot cards or kagamitan sa aking tarot reading, anything like that, mga stones, feel free to send gifts kasi alam nyo na, Pasko, malapit ng Pasko, and I'm also, nakakatuwa din na makakatanggap din tayo ng, diba, regalo from any of you. Okay? But kung wala naman, okay lang din. I know na lahat ay hindi naman may pera. Okay? And again, ipapatuloy ko rin po sa inyo na yung mga prayers ko naway kayo ay laging gabayan ni universe. Okay? I love you guys and mag-ingat po kayo palagi and sana ay makita ko kayo sa next reading. Bye!